I thought this BMW advertisement was designed by a professional creative agency. The lighting, the composition, the luxury branding, the typography, everything about it looks like a campaign that took hours to create. But then I asked ChatGPT to recreate it, and what happened next honestly surprised me. Take a look at these two BMW ads, one is the original, and the other was generated by ChatGPT. And the craziest part? I didn't spend 20 minutes engineering an insane prompt, I didn't even write it myself. I made ChatGPT write the prompt for itself. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in less than 30 seconds. If you've ever seen an image online and wondered, how would I even prompt that, this trick is going to save you a lot of time. Let's jump in. So here's the problem most people have with AI image generation. They open ChatGPT, click Generate Image, and then stare at a blank prompt box, trying to describe the lighting, camera angles, composition, and style. And after 5 minutes of typing, the image still doesn't look anything like what they imagined. But what if you could completely skip that process? Instead of creating the prompt yourself, you let ChatGPT figure it out for you. That's exactly what we're doing. I found this BMW advertisement and thought it would be the perfect test. Just look at it, the luxury sedan, the massive BMW typography, the premium city backdrop, and the dramatic lighting. Everything about it feels professionally designed. My first thought was, there's no way ChatGPT can understand all of these details accurately. But here's the trick, I upload the BMW ad into ChatGPT and use one simple prompt. Analyze this image and reverse engineer it into a detailed image generation prompt. Capture the composition, lighting, camera angle, style, colors, typography, and overall mood to recreate the image as closely as possible. There is no special formatting, no secret keywords, and no advanced prompt engineering. It is just one simple prompt. After I hit enter, ChatGPT starts breaking down everything it sees. It identifies the car positioning, the camera perspective, the luxury automotive photography style, the dramatic lighting, the typography placement, the urban background, and the premium advertising aesthetic. And the scary part? It noticed details I didn't even realize were there. Basically, it explains the image better than most people could. And this is where things get really interesting. I copy the prompt ChatGPT generated, open a brand new chat, paste it, and hit generate. Honestly, I expected it to fail. I thought the typography would look wrong, the composition would fall apart, and the luxury feel would disappear. But then the image appeared. A few moments later, ChatGPT creates a brand new BMW advertisement, and honestly, the results are kind of ridiculous. The luxury feel is there, the lighting is there, the composition is there, and the premium branding aesthetic is there. Even the overall mood feels incredibly similar to the original advertisement. Now, is it pixel perfect? No. If you zoom in and compare every little detail, you'll definitely notice differences, but that's not the point. The point is that ChatGPT successfully understood the visual language behind the advertisement and recreated something remarkably close from scratch. And that's what makes this workflow so powerful, because the biggest benefit isn't actually recreating images, it's learning. Every time you do this, you're getting a behind-the-scenes look at how ChatGPT interprets design. You start learning how it describes lighting, how it describes composition, how it describes typography, how it describes product photography, and how it describes branding. And after doing this a few times, you naturally become much better at prompting without reading a single prompt guide. You're learning directly from real-world examples, which is honestly one of the fastest ways to become an AI power user. So the next time you see an image online and think, I wonder how this was made, don't guess. Upload it to ChatGPT, use the reverse engineering prompt we just discussed, then copy the result and generate. It is simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Most people use AI like a tool. The best AI users use AI to teach itself. That's the difference. If you found this useful and want more practical AI workflows, hidden features, and shortcuts that help you get more out of AI, make sure to subscribe. I'm Hiccy, and I'll see you in the next one.